Hello, I am Man Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into one of the Analytic Kit Web3 tool, Wallet Analytic. In this Wallet Analytic, we will see how to use historical graph to analyze how well your customers are using Ethereum blockchain application on a regular basis. First, I will show you the uh, our SaaS platform. I have shown this SaaS platform how to log into this website in my previous videos. Once you log into the website, this is the page you will see. And then from this page, if you click Wallet Analytic, that will take you to the Wallet dashboard. See, all the graphs you are seeing in this Wallet Analytic tool, Wallet Analytic dashboard is collected based on the wallet address that we collect from our customer's website, and then use those wallet addresses to go to the Ethereum blockchain, get the data that matches the wallet address. So the data could be any transaction that happened in Ethereum blockchain or the token transfers. Either they purchased a token or they transferred one of the token to their friends and family. So the token could be anything that happened on the Ethereum blockchain. For the date that we start collecting the wallet addresses, we will go and we'll go to the Ethereum blockchain public ledger and collect the information and then store it, use the data to plot these various graphs. In my previous videos, I have mentioned about each and every graph, how to use the graph and what you can infer from the graph. And in this video, we will look into one of the graph historical volume trends. Basically, if you see this graph, on each day, we will see what is the volume of transaction that happened, and then whether it is increasing or it's coming down or it's staying same. Say, for example, in this graph, December 12th, 2023, it started with the total number of volume is 4, and then it stayed on the same level on the next day, December 10th, and then it started coming down to almost 2 points. It basically came to 50% less on the third day of your analysis. So this is the sample data. We just have it for this presentation. And based on how long you are running the campaign, you can see the date range. Based on that information, you can able to identify how well your customers are using your Ethereum blockchain application. Let me go back to the presentation. See, one of the main purpose of this wallet analytical tool is to identify the historical volume trends, and then based on that information, you can identify whether the number of transactions level is going up or coming down or staying same. You will be running multiple marketing campaign. You can identify how well your marketing campaign is performing, what you need to do to increase your community engagement with your Ethereum blockchain application. So the analyzing the historical data that helps you to identify how well your marketing campaign is working. Say, for example, you are running a marketing campaign to attract new users, and you send a mass email campaign. Using our various Web2 tools, you can analyze how many users came in from the website, from the email campaign, and how long they spend on your website. And then you can see whether they click the register button to become a customer or a community member, or they just left. Based on that, you can identify what you need to do, your change in the marketing campaign or the email message to ultimately make the user to a community member by registering in your website or mobile application, whatever platform you are supporting. And then based on that, and your next goal is to make them to buy the NFT tokens that you are selling on your website or through your mobile application. Identifying the seasonal trends, so you can able to see the peaks and valleys from the graph on which dates the maximum number of users are using your Ethereum blockchain, on which dates they are not using at all, or they have the volume reduced to 50% or 75%. Based on that information, you can fine tune your campaign and you can adjust your marketing, how well your marketing campaign is working based on these seasonal trends that you are tracking from the historical volume trends. See, you will be running the marketing campaign on a specific time period, say 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So based on that 3 week time period, you can see what happened in the first day and second day, and then fine tune your marketing campaign. And also within the week time frame, first week what happened, and then you can adjust your marketing campaign in the second week. Say for example, you are finding way too many users are coming in during the weekends, but not on the weekdays, or you are seeing that more users are coming during the evening time but not on the morning time, or you can see that more users are coming from North America than Europe. All the informations you can collect it and identify what you need to do to fine tune your marketing strategies to attract more customers using your Ethereum blockchain application. So benchmarking the performance. See, one of the main goal is to increase the performance of your marketing campaign. So you perform a marketing task, a strategy, and you want to identify how well the marketing strategy is working. Say you are putting a link, you are publishing a new content and then promoting the content to your users in the social media platforms like X, Twitter, or in the Discord channel. And you want to identify which one is performing better, whether the X platform or the Discord channel. You can identify all the informations using our SaaS platform. So in my previous videos, I have provided various tools of Web2 tools that we have, and how to use, how to track the customers, where they are coming from, where means which geographic location they are coming from, and which device they are used, whether they use the desktop computer or the mobile platform that you are supporting it. All the informations you can track it and then fine tune your marketing campaign to attract more customers. And another important point you can identify is the fine tuning or tailoring your marketing campaign based on the performance that you see in the historical volume trends. Say you are running a marketing campaign and you have performed a specific task of sending mass email or promoting on a social media platform. The next day, you can see how well that particular marketing task has helped you, how many users came into your website, and then what they did. Ultimately, you want the users to visit your website or come into the mobile application, and ultimately you want them to buy the NFT tokens that you are selling, right? So for that, you can able to use this historical volume trends to identify what exactly happened on the particular day. See, right now, if you see the graph again, we are just displaying the graph, the volume trends, and we are not showing who are all these users and what are their public wallet public addresses. But we are working on the feature to adding that feature. Very soon, you will be able to see the data so that you can identify among the users who performed more volume compared to other members in your community. So you can able to identify and give a discount to the users, those who are spending more dollars on your NFT platform. And also the another main feature of this graph is to predictive analytics. Right now, as I said earlier, we are collecting the Web2 data. Using the Web2 data, you can identify how long your customers spent on your website and where they came from and which link they clicked, how much time they spent, all those data. And then the Web3 data, we go and collect from the Ethereum blockchain ledger and store it, and you can able to collate those two data and identify how well your marketing campaign is working on a short-term basis and also what you need to do on the long-term basis. Say you consistently seeing only on the weekends your engagement level is going up, but not on the weekdays. Maybe you can fine-tune your marketing campaign to attract more users during the uh, non-weekend time, or you can also able to do what exactly you need to do to increase the engagement during the weekend. So probably you are using your marketing platform, marketing company to track how well your customers are using your NFT game application that you are marketing for one of your client. You can identify what exactly is going on the NFT application, NFT game application, and then you can identify what you need to do to increase the engagement during the weekend and also during the weekdays, ultimately growing your community around your the gaming platform. So ultimately your goal is to increase the user retention. So one of the main thing you can do using the our Analytic Kit SaaS platform is to identify how well your marketing campaign is working on based on the Web2 data and Web3 data. There are various tools available within the Web2 so that you can see how many users came and how frequently they came and how many users are converting from the website and ultimately buying NFT token or becoming a member by clicking the register button in your website. So ultimately your goal is to increase the retention level, meaning if 10 users came in Monday, you want all the 10 users or more users for the Tuesday. But it's not the case always. There might be some cases where the number 10 users might reduce to 4 users or 2 users. You have to identify what exactly is going on your website, on your Ethereum blockchain application, and fine tune your marketing campaign to ultimately retain your customer and ultimately grow the customer base around your Ethereum application that you are marketing for your customers. And optimizing the resources. If you are a small marketing company and if you have only 4 or 5 people working for you, you want to identify what tasks you need to give them. Say you have a marketing person concentrating on Europe, another marketing person concentrating on North America. And if you want to identify where to put the resources, whether to concentrate more on the North America versus Europe, you can able to use the both the Web2 tools and the Web3 tools to identify where exactly your customers are coming from and concentrate on that particular region. Or you want to identify which social media platform you want to use, whether you want to use Reddit or X or LinkedIn, where the users are coming in for your community, and use that resource to put more emphasis for that particular platform where you are getting more users. So all those marketing campaign you are doing, the strategies you are coming up with and optimizing the resources are all based on the data that we collect from both Web2 side and also in the Web3 side. We collect those data and we provide the 360-degree of your customer coming into your website and also what they did on Ethereum blockchain application. So this helps you to grow the company, grow your marketing campaign, grow your engagement level, and ultimately increase the community engagement for your Ethereum application. So there's a lot of real world applications we can use, you can use for this Ethereum block for our Analytic Kit platform. So it could be any website. You can use both the website or the mobile application, and within the website or mobile application it could be a simple NFT token that you are selling, or you are monitoring a gaming application, whatever it may be. So any real world application that uses the Ethereum blockchain, you can use our tools to manage and increase your potential customer growth and engagement level for your customers. So the main purpose of this historic volume trends is to understand the current level of your customer engagement and the future growth, and you come up with future marketing strategies based on the current engagement level and what you need to do to fine tune your marketing campaign, ultimately attract more customers. So that's the main purpose of this tool. And as I said earlier, there are a lot of other tools also there. And also we are working on improving and adding more and more features to our Web3 and Web2 tools. And finally, ultimately, we want to give you a 360-degree view of your customers to combine both the Web2 data and Web3 data, to combine it and give you a clear-cut presentation of what exactly your customers are doing on your website and also in the Ethereum blockchain application. And also at present, we are supporting only Ethereum blockchain, but eventually we are working on to support other blockchains like Solana and multiple other blockchain applications. So that's all I want to discuss in this presentation. And if you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. You can post the comment or send us an email. Please help us to grow this channel by subscribing to this channel. And if you need more information, go to our website, analytickit.com, or if you want to go to our SaaS platform directly, you can go to dpa.analytickit.com, or from analytickit.com website. If you already are a member, you can just click login and go to our SaaS platform, or you can register and start using it for free right away and grow your customer base. Thank you. Appreciate your time.